Taking medications that promote muscle relaxation in the evening can actually increase snoring. These are called benzodiazepines, such as Xanax, Ativan, even Valium. These cause a relaxation in the muscles in the throat, which can then cause snoring. However, before changing any medications, you need to speak with your doctor first. Maybe you can talk with your doctor about moving the administration of those medications to earlier in the day so that it doesn't necessarily have that effect at night. But I want to be clear, do not stop taking your medications without talking to your doctor.